I wish you were easy. Spend some time with me, but you talk to everyone except me. Makes me think you don't want me. I wish I were simple, that I gave in just alone. But I talk to everyone except you. So how can I blame you? How can I blame you? Honestly, I'm a little nervous. Not practiced or polished or perfect. But maybe we can trade anxieties. I'll talk